Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This side Pankaj Kumar Thakur. So in this video we are going to talk about Cloud Code. So Cloud Code is an AI powered command line assistant developed by Anthropic which helps developers to understand, write and maintain code directly from the terminal. So if I tell you that you no longer need to copy code into ChatGPT or any other AI tools. What if an AI could directly understand your entire code base? They can write new features, refactor code, identify issues, and create unit test cases, explain the complex logic, run terminal commands, and search and modify files. So for that, we have Cloud Code, which works directly inside your terminal and helps you to automate development tasks. Now let's understand why Cloud Code is different from traditional AI tools. So, with traditional AI tools like ChatGPT or other AI tools, the workflow is usually simple. You copy some code, paste it into the AI, get an answer, then again copy the response back into your IDE and manually apply the changes. It's mostly a question and answers experience, right? But Cloud Code works differently. How? So it runs directly inside your terminal and understand your project as a whole, not just a single code snippet. Because of that, it can explore your project, read multiple files, suggest changes across the code base, execute commands, help with debugging, work with Git repositories, and generate documentations. So instead of behaving like a chatbot that simply answers questions, Cloud Code behaves more like an intelligent software engineer working alongside you inside your development environment. That's what makes Cloud Code fundamentally different from traditional AI tools. Let's take a real world example. Suppose you have joined a new team and you are working on a Spring Boot microservices project. Imagine the project contains hundreds of classes and multiple services. Traditionally, understanding such a code base takes weeks or sometimes even months. So usually someone from the team has to spend time explaining the project structure, dependencies, and how different services communicates with each other. But with Cloud Code, things become much easier. So I have a project called Datafaker and which I downloaded from datafaker.net. Simply, you can click here and you will get the Git repo. You can download from here. So I just downloaded from here. Okay, so you can download the zip from here and you can. So instead of manually opening every packages and classes, so I can simply start Cloud Code inside my project directory. So simply I will copy the path. I open the PowerShell and I change the project directory. Okay, and simply I will type cloud to start a new session inside the current project. So dark mode, okay, I am fine with dark mode. Cloud Code account with subscription, okay. Here it will redirect you to your browser for authentication, and there you sign in with your Anthropic account. And yes, you will need an active subscription. Without subscription you won't be able to use Cloud Code. Okay, so login successful. So now session has started. So now I can ask a simple question. Explain the project structure and just press enter. Within seconds, Cloud Code scans the repository and gives me an overview of entire applications. So here you can see it can showing the what modules are present, so which services are available, how packages are organized, where the controllers, services, and repositories are located, right? And what dependencies are used. and how different components interacts with each other. So, and this is one of the biggest advantage of cloud code. It doesn't just answer questions, it understands your code base and acts like a senior engineer sitting beside you, helping you to navigate and understand the entire project. So it helps you understand large code base. So cloud code is not replacing developers. Instead, it removes repetitive work, which will and also it helps to speeds up debugging, generate test cases, improve productivity, and allows developers to focus more on solving business problems. So in the next video, we will explore cloud code in much more depth. We will see how to install cloud code, how to configure API keys, how to work with Spring Boot applications, MCP servers, agents, hooks, memory, sub-agents, GitHub integrations, and real-world examples. So if you are a Java developer, Spring Boot developer, or someone interested in AI-assisted coding, make sure to subscribe to the channel because AI-powered development is evolving rapidly, and Cloud Code is one of the most exciting tools available today. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.